Yesterday I felt the wind blowing round my shoulder. Feel like I'm getting older. Still I can't forget your face. Separated by a million miles of ocean, my heart still feels emotion. Even in this lonely place, old photographs and places I remember, just like a dying ember that's burning to my soul. Even though we walk the diamond-studded highways, it's the country lanes and byways that's make us long for home. Parang malito rin sila sa